That just means racist.
Fuck it! Dun it! Dun it! Dun it!
Oh.
Don't you always? Been a while.
Well. We're in our next hotel in Culebra. Got some art. Got a couch. We got the bed. We got a little mini kitchen over here. Little dining set. Ceiling fan. What we got in here? Oh, a little closet. Nice. Cooler. Let's see what's in here. Over here, whoops, sorry about that. Oh, we got the bathroom. We got the sink. That's where the magic happens, right there. Oh, very echoey. Wow, look at this. Look at that. How about that? So this is pretty nice, guys. I'll put the link of where this is in Culebra. Very nice room. It is actually a duplex. I've got neighbors. You want to check out the view? Oh, hi neighbors. How are you?
What's going on here?
Not much. I just thought I'd come out here and show you, ask you how you would like to save money on your new warranty.
See what?
Save money on your new warranty.
Not interested in a warranty today,
Yeah?
but I picked a pretty cool spot.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that's good. Oh, there's another one.
Is that Steph?
Yeah.
What's up, Steph?
You should jump on there too.
No, I'm good. You can get on this side.
Bed. Look at the ceiling. That is pretty dope. Full kitchen, sort of. Got that. Bathroom, sink, toilet. Pretty much the same shower. This is pretty cool. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, look at like a little dressing closet. Very, very nice. I'm gonna go out front. Bye.